Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you have to hold down power key, and after the turn off menu appears you have to hold down your finger on power off. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode. Just tap on the safe mode button and then your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that you're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.